In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Zoom from automatically recording. If Zoom starts recording every meeting the moment it begins, it can be distracting, fill up your storage, and create privacy concerns for you and your participants. The good news is that the fix is quick, and it lives in your Zoom account settings on the web. So open a browser, sign in to your Zoom account, and you're ready to go. Once you're signed in, head to My Account on the left side of the Zoom web portal. This takes you to your personal dashboard, where you can adjust preferences that apply to the meetings you host. It's the best place to set defaults so you don't have to change things every time you schedule or start a meeting. Next, select Settings. This opens a page with many options grouped by category. Any change you make here applies across your future meetings, which is especially helpful if you run recurring sessions or jump into instant meetings throughout the day. Inside Settings, choose the Recording section. This is where Zoom manages both local recordings on your computer and cloud recordings saved to your account. Even if you don't use cloud storage, this tab is where the automatic behavior is controlled. Now find Automatic Recording and turn it off. When this option is enabled, Zoom starts a recording as soon as your meeting begins, either locally or to the cloud, depending on what's selected beneath it. Switching it off means nothing will record unless you explicitly click the record button during the meeting. Your participants will no longer receive immediate recording notifications at the start, and you'll avoid unintentionally saving files you don't need. A few quick tips as you make this change. Your selection usually saves instantly. There's no extra save button to press. If you see that the option is locked or grayed out, it likely means your organization controls this setting at the account level. In that case, reach out to your Zoom administrator to request a change. Also, remember, this affects meetings you host. If you join someone else's meeting, their recording settings will apply. That's it. By turning off automatic recording in your Zoom account settings, you keep full control over when recording starts, protect your participants' privacy, and cut down on unnecessary files. When you do want a recording, just start it manually inside the meeting and you'll capture exactly what you need, nothing more.